Hi guys, good morning. So I just had to do an intro before I start my baking proper. This will actually be my first time baking banana bread. Sure, baking unassisted, I think. Yeah, actually the last time I baked in my life was in food and nutrition class back in high school, and I just decided to push myself to do this because this whole lockdown period I wanted a situation where I would come out and say I have learned something. My tutor is my best friend Uche. Uche also bakes. She bakes really well. I've showed her banana bread here on my channel in one of my vlogs, and it was really sumptuous. So she has told me what to buy. I bought everything. She also sent me a WhatsApp breakdown of everything I need, and if I have any issue I'm going to call her immediately. I just have to put out a disclaimer here. This is my first time trying this out, so it can either go well or go south for me at this point, and I'm not going to edit anything. This is all cut. I'm just going to show you guys how it turns out. Hopefully it does turn out well, and yeah, let's just start. If you're just seeing me for the first time, oh my manners, I'm so sorry. My name is Chantel and I am based in Nigeria. If you like what you see already, please do well to subscribe by clicking on that button that spells subscribe on the right hand side, and the bell icon that shows up after, so you are notified each time I have a new upload. I put out videos here 3 times a week, every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, so please subscribe so you don't miss out on the next one. Catch ya. So these are my ingredients here. I have my eggs, I have my dried fruits. This is a mixed fruit I got from Spa, and it contains seedless raisins and candied hammy melon. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure it's fruit. And these are dried fruits as well. This is a mix of almonds, dried sweets, cranberries, walnuts and chickpeas. I used this one when I made my salad. I'll leave it in the cards there, so if you want to see what it looks like in a salad. Yeah. This is also a mix of dried nuts. This contains walnuts, dried mangoes, almonds, cranberries and pumpkin seeds. And here I have my bananas. I'm going to be using 3 medium-sized bananas. Over here I have my flour. I just got this for 450 naira for half pints. I think that's what they call it. I have my granulated sugar from Dangote. I don't want to buy the one they measure and sell. I'm sure it's all the same thing though. I have my baking soda. I have my vanilla flavoring. My friend Tari gave me this one, so thank you. I didn't have to buy it. I have my butter. This is from the same store I got the baking soda and flour. I have my coconut flakes. I got this one today from Everyday Emporium, and this one went for 870 naira. I got this one yesterday and I felt like it was going to be too small, that hence my adding this one today. But I think I'm just going to use one, and maybe the other one I'll keep it for my Greek yogurt any day I'm making one. I will not even finish this one for this bread because it's quite big. So these are all the ingredients I'll be using today. Yeah, so this is me starting out with so much gusto. Like, I have it all covered. Nobody's confidence can rival mine at this point. I'm just peeling my banana, squishing it with my fork. Like, I'm going all in, guys. Like, everything is looking so peng at this point. Everything is working out well for my good, or so I thought. Yeah. Next I had to melt my butter because, going by the recipe my friend Uche gave me, this was all I had to do. I just had to follow everything to the T. Now you can see the butter is beautifully melted. It looks so lush until they pour it on your face and you know that this yellow color is not for jokes. So while that cooled down a bit, and I'll pour this in my already squished banana and I'm stirring it. Next I added a bit of sugar. I'll leave the measurements of everything I used in this video in description box because I can't remember everything at the top of my head now. Next I added my eggs, and I have 3 eggs inside this mix. And I'm just turning and turning and turning on the on. Next thing I added was the flavoring that I told you my friend Tari gave me, and it added the amazing flavor to this. Like, it just smelled so good from this point onwards. Next on my list was the flour, and I'm just sifting it a bit because Uche said I have to wake it up because sometimes the flour is sleeping, in her words. So I had to put it in a sifter and I'm trying to sift it. My baking soda, and I did same thing like I did with the flour. Next, I'm just using the spatula to turn it very well and mix it all together. Guys, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please help me, thank you so much. Next, I'm adding the coconut flakes and my raisins. In short, everything that I just want to use and make this banana bread really bougie. Before I start complimenting me and say, oh, you have this all covered, you're doing well, please watch till the end. The next thing I had to do was grease my pan with a spray canola oil just to reduce the amount of fat in this. Although I know that there's already sugar and there's butter, but I just wanted it to feel a bit healthy. And I'm putting it in my pan now. Adding a bit more of the coconut flakes, and it's ready for the oven.
Who are you?
It was a total fail. My gosh, what is this? Let me explain why this turned out like this. The oven I put it in initially, just the top burner was working, and I did not notice that on time. And I called Uche. Uche said it has to be the lower burner. By then, the top burner of the oven has finished burning the top side. So I said, okay, let me put it in the lower burner. I think I put it for so long, and this is what I'm working with now. Guys, see, it tastes so good. I feel so bad, but yeah, first try. Come on, that's so nice. No, just the inside. Yeah, it's soft. Very nice. See. Did you guys just see my life out in the public? I used the fact that it was my first time to console myself, but I'm heartbroken. Tell me sorry in the comment section. So I went on ahead to repeat same process because I wasn't raised to give up at all. I must get this banana bread and I must get a good result, whether the devil likes it or not. I did same thing, same process, same measurements, and I'm going all in again with that same confidence. Yeah, you guys can see what it looks like. Oh yeah, in this batch I changed my baking pan because I don't know if that other baking pan was part of my bad luck, so I changed to a more modern baking pan. And yeah, just watch till the end to see how this one turned out. Might be proud of me. I told you so. Oh my god! Wow! I'm going to take all the time I need to admire this work of art you see right here on your screen. So give me a thumbs up for not giving up at least and killing it on my second try. Just check it out. Check the angles out. I feel good. Can you see what I'm seeing? You cannot talk to me anyhow. Like after this banana bread that you're seeing like this, can you see how the knife is going through it? Very moist. Oh.
6.5 hours later.
If you have any other tips, like you know how to do this really well, please let me know in the comments, and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Thank God I gave a disclaimer at the beginning. I was not like, I'm a pro, I want to come and do this, like show you guys my skills. Went south and then it went well, so it was a win-win, lose-win situation for me actually. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be sure to see you in my next one.